going to practice simplifying rational algebraic expressions by practicing on this worksheet called homework number 1. You can just copy this down, or you can open up your homework 1 from Canvas and utilize that. So looking at number 1, we see this is a product, this is multiplication, I'm allowed to cancel, so this simplifies to 7. Number 2, I again have a product, that's cool, that simplifies to x. There are no restrictions for this one. However, for number 1, I would want to specify that the simplification is 7 as long as x is not equal to 0. And somebody might say, I don't even see an x there. And you would say, well, look, in the original expression, I'm telling you it simplifies to 7, and in the original, the rule was just x going to be equal to 0. So here I'm looking at this, and I see a sum, not a product. I do not want to cancel those x's, so this cannot be simplified. Let's look at number 4. Ooh, I'm like so tempted to cancel this x's and the 7's. I don't know what I would get. Would I get 1 plus 1 over 1? Would I get 2? No, I'm not going to do any of that, because while I have a product in the denominator, this is a sum, and I cannot break into this addition using any kind of canceling, so this cannot be simplified. And if you want to make a note why, you could point to this like beware of the addition, right? Beware, it is a sum, not a product. Now, x plus 7 over x plus 7, hey, that's exactly the same thing. I would discourage you from canceling like this, because that's giving you the wrong impression that it's okay to cancel across addition. I would encourage you to think of these as one big chunk, and so this simplifies to 1. Now here, I see I have addition. That makes me nervous. I can't factor anything. I really want to cancel the x's, or maybe I could cancel the 7's, but I'm not allowed to. This cannot be simplified. So those are the first few. Let's go ahead and look at, we'll just do number 7 for now. 2x over 6y. I'm wondering, can I feel like I can, yeah, I can cancel the 2 and the 6, right? I mean, isn't this the same as 2/6 times x over y? So why can't I cancel this to 1 over 3? 1 over 3. So we would have x over 3y. If I gave a restriction, I would say y is not equal to 0, and somebody looking at it would be like, yeah, no kidding, I see it. Y is in the denominator, of course. Now, one thing to ask, though, could I have simplified this? The answer is no.